Hello guys, I am Priyesh and welcome to the PR show. Today I am going to break down the new teaser of Fantastic Beasts 3: The Secrets of Dumbledore. So, firstly, we are shown in the trailer some previous scenes of the previous Harry Potter movies, and here in this frame you can see the Order of the Phoenix movie scene, and like this one, in this frame you can see the Harry, Hermione, and Ron in the first Harry Potter movie, and in the next scene you can see Hogwarts. We are shown Hogwarts here, so this makes sense, given that at the end of the last film, the good guys were grouped together at the Hogwarts. I'm talking about the Fantastic Beasts 2. Next, we see in this frame we can see Newt, Jacob, Theseus, and Hogwarts professor Eulalie Hicks. So Eulalie Hicks here in this scene is a surprise as she wasn't given much screen time in the second film. But according to some reports, she is going to play an important role in this movie. So I am a bit of surprised that she is shown here in this frame. So then the group are walking down in this frame towards the Albus Dumbledore, who appears to be standing in front of some kind of portal or pillar with some ancient looking marking on it. And this room looks like the room of requirement. The group then got transported through the portal one by one. In the next frame, we are shown a huge mountain. Uh, so you can see a huge mountain here with the long stairs. Uh, so we can see a massive set of stairs with a huge mountain here, and the building we are shown in this scene uh, is looking like the Japanese wizarding school, which is called the Maho Tukoro. So Maho Tukoro is a Japanese wizarding school in the Harry Potter universe, or we can see the we can say the Maho Tukoro is a Japanese wizarding school in the wizarding world. So which is this Maho Tukoro school uh, located on the volcanic island of Minami Iwo Jima in Japan. The fireworks in the scene in this scene, the fireworks creating a kind of emblem in the sky which matches the school's logo. Next we are shown next then the next frame is this. So in this frame we can see the Mats, aka Grindelwald, being mobbed by massive groups of people. However, they all seem to appear to be quite happy with him, and he also looks quite pleased with himself. Next we see Winda Rosier. Winda Rosier, one of the Grindelwald's acolytes, shooting what appears to be the Clinkers. Then we see in this frame we can see the Newt running through a forest. Then we see an unidentifiable figure flying a broom on the Hogwarts ground. Then we see in the next frame Theseus in some kind of danger here. So this is in this frame we are shown the Theseus. Um, Next, in the next frame, we can see Jacob holding a wand. Well, that is good, but whose wand is it? Well, I am not sure. Then we see Dumbledore uh, with the golden snitch, which is similar to the what we see in the Harry Potter movies. So here in this frame, the golden snitch and the Dumbledore. You can see the Dumbledore and the golden snitch. In next frame, we are shown Credence Barebone, aka Aurelius Dumbledore, wreaking havoc and causing all sorts of destruction. And here in this frame, Albus Dumbledore is standing in front of Credence Barebone. Could this mean a duel between both of them? If is it, then our wait is over, guys. Because if this duel is going to happen, then could this mean that Credence Barebone is corrupted now? You can tell in the comments. And then we see Dumbledore speaking to someone here in this frame. So you can see here the Dumbledore speaking to someone. Who is this mysterious man? uh, well, we can assume that maybe he is Theseus, or maybe he can anyone else. And in the background you can also see Newt. So what do you guys think? You like this teaser or not? And please write your opinion in comment box if you like it or if you not like it. So if you want me to break down the full trailer which is coming on Monday, then comment below. That is it for today, guys. If you like this video, press the like button and also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you, guys.